I'm Brandon Kemerling and I'm from Peoria, Illinois. I started my research project in August. It's my first semester at school, and I work for Los Alamos National Lab as my sponsor. I work with Dave Farson and John Wimpold. We're trying to study the effect of cracking on stainless steels with additive manufacturing. So, trying to develop a technique to prevent cracking from happening, and we do that experimentally with different systems. So we use computational fluid dynamics, CFD. Flow3D is the software we use, and we're trying to model physically what's going on in the weld. So we use laser welding, so we input the heat, simulate the cooling effects, evaporation, radiation, and convection cooling, and we're just trying to predict the temperature history for the material, and from that information we can predict microstructure, evolution, and eventually the stresses involved in the weld and the cracking susceptibility. I really like my project because they presented a problem to us, but we had the opportunity to take it really in whatever direction we want. So it kind of gives you the opportunity to be creative and kind of learn by trial and error as well. My first exposure to the center, we did our presentation for 10 minutes, and what I really liked about it was after the formal presentations, we had the kind of chance to have a drink and dinner with all the representatives from all the companies, and it was kind of a nice way to just connect with some of those people and network as well for maybe potentially after we're done with school here. And it's just really a unique opportunity to connect with those people. Ideally, I'd like to be able to say that my work contributed somehow in industry at the end. It wasn't strictly academic work, so I'd like to keep that in mind and tailor it to industry and how it might impact, make a positive impact on industry.